hundreds of thousands of people walking across the sidewalk at any given time. There's a criminal element out here. It's people who would help you.
I've been to the city several times before, but I never discovered where fantasy town collided with reality.
I'm starting to get a little antsy.
Are you? At the prospect of...
The prospect of meeting up the bad guy and he doesn't want to go, and it's a big fist fight or gunfight.
Your hands up! Come out right now!
Hi, Wendy.
What to make of people who live there?
That's
What they do to their lives?
That's it.
Is controlling a problem for you?
That's it.
You're attacking nobody, yelling, screaming at anybody. So I guess I'm doing a pretty good job.
To the call girls who turn 40.
How violent does it get?
If one of the pimps steals another one,
You give me kisses. Oh, that's so cute.
that's just how it is. It's just like that.
And to the man who won the biggest poker prize in history.
And you won that